Trying to wax at home but not sure if you should use soft wax or hard wax? Let me break it down so you don't mess up your skin or your results. Hi, I'm Lena, a licensed esthetician of 10 years, and I teach you how to get clean professional results at home, even as a beginner. First, let's go over hard wax. Hard wax is sold in two separate ways. The most common way that you'll see hard wax sold is the little pellets. These little pellets are put into a wax pot and melted down. And as long as that warmer stays on, the wax will remain melted. Once the wax warmer turns off and the wax cools down, it actually re-hardens again. A lot of the times what people will use is little silicone inserts to put inside of those so that they can preserve that wax and use it on like future clients or use it on yourself again, depending on how you're making use of the wax. Hard wax can also be sold in cans. It tends to not be as common, but are definitely out there. The good thing about having it already in a can is that you don't have to worry about a silicone insert. It stays in its little tin can. You put the lid on and that kind of is what it is. Hard wax is applied to the skin. It hardens around the hairs and removes the hairs that it hardens around. Let's go ahead and get into talking a little bit about soft wax and comparing soft wax and hard wax. In esthetician school, most estheticians are taught that soft wax is going to be really damaging to your skin and that only use hard wax, and I can't believe that soft wax is even on the market. I don't know who made up that rumor, but it's not true. I get so many clients who will call me and be like, do you use hard wax or soft wax? And a lot of the times the worry when they call me is that soft wax hurts more. And I am here to tell you that I have tons of clients who tell me that soft wax that I use actually hurts less than hard wax, which tells you that it's really not about the wax itself, it's a technique. Soft wax is only sold in cans. Soft wax is put directly into your wax pot in the can, the same as the hard wax can. Recently, even a lot of the hard wax girlies are switching to soft wax rollers when they do major parts of the body. Literally, they just roll down the leg. So a lot of these estheticians who were taught in esthetician school that hard wax is the only way we can do it are actually really warming up to soft wax, because we're also taught in esthetician school that you can only go over the area once with soft wax, which is not true. As long as you lay down an oil, you can go back over. Another big difference between hard wax and soft wax is that soft wax uses strips. Some people will actually call soft wax strip wax because it is the wax that uses muslin or pellin to remove the hair. Hard wax does not use strips and simply grasps the hair that's there by hardening around it and then removes it. So another thing that I will say about hard wax is that hard wax doesn't catch fine hair. Because of the way that it hardens to go around the hair has to be pretty thick in order for it to be removed. Soft wax, that isn't the case. It'll adhere to all the hair and it'll take off all the hair. For me, I'd rather learn the technique, learn the structure, and get all the hair. That you guys don't know is that a lot of the estheticians who will use hard wax first and then go back in with soft wax to make sure that they've gotten all of those tiny hairs. It's really common with people who have been waxing a long time and their hairs have become really fine. Hard for that hard wax to fully grasp those really fine hairs. It tends to just slide right through. But with soft wax, those fine hairs are always coming off. I mean, obviously some tweezing afterwards just to make sure that they've gotten everything. As you can tell, I'm a little bit of a soft wax girly. But I do know that a lot of estheticians find that hard wax has its benefits. Actually, hold on a second. I do use hard wax in the nose and it actually works perfectly every single time. In fact, I actually am not sure how you would even use soft wax in the nose. So there is always a time and place to use hard wax. Okay, let's go ahead and get back to the video. And I'm sure that's why so many people use it. So of course, with all of my tutorials, we will be using soft wax. You will be getting all those hairs up. You won't have any little stragglers left behind. And I do teach you the proper technique. If you want to learn how to use soft wax to clean up your brows step by step, I have a full beginner-friendly tutorial linked below where I walk you through every detail. Make sure you subscribe for my DIY beauty education, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to head over to my website, click supply links, and then you'll click the video that you've purchased. After that, you will see a complete list of all the supplies that you'll need for that specific service, complete with links that will take you to Amazon so that you'll have everything that you need. Also, you'll want to go over to my beauty products, and once you get there, you will see the pre and post wax as well as beauty products that may be useful to you at home, but definitely make sure you pick up that pre and post wax bundle because you will be using it a lot.